Hey there, beach lovers. It's your adventurous host, Monica, and I'm thrilled to be sharing another incredible beach discovery with you today. Get ready to be swept away by the beauty of this hidden gem. As I step onto this mesmerizing beach, I'm immediately struck by its untouched natural beauty. The powdery white sand feels like walking on clouds, and the gentle waves lapping against the shore create a soothing symphony that instantly relaxes the soul. This beach is a true paradise for nature enthusiasts. Surrounding the coastline are lush, verdant jungles, teeming with life. The vibrant flora provides a striking contrast against the sparkling turquoise waters, making for a picture-perfect scene that belongs on a postcard. But the beauty doesn't stop there. This beach is also home to a diverse array of marine life. Grab a snorkel and explore the underwater wonderland just a few steps away. Swim alongside schools of tropical fish, marvel at the colorful coral reefs, and keep an eye out for graceful sea turtles gracefully gliding through the water. As I continue my walk, the cool sea breeze brushes against my skin, carrying with it the salty tang of the ocean. The sun shines brightly overhead, casting a golden glow on everything around me. It's a truly magical experience that words can't fully capture. I can't stress enough the importance of preserving and protecting these breathtaking beaches. Let's all do our part in keeping them clean and respecting the fragile ecosystems that thrive here. Together, we can ensure that future generations can enjoy the beauty that we're experiencing today. If you're enjoying this virtual beach adventure, I invite you to join our community by subscribing to my channel and hitting that thumbs up button. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on future beach explorations and will be supporting me in bringing more of these incredible destinations to your screen. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're always notified when I release new videos. Together, we'll continue to uncover the hidden treasures of the world's most amazing beaches. Thank you for joining me on this awe-inspiring journey. I hope you're feeling the same sense of wonder and joy that I am. Remember to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more amazing beaches. Until next time, keep chasing the sun and embracing the beauty of our world's coastal wonders.